Good morning, good morning. It is day 6. We are in Tenerife, Canary Islands. As you can see, it's about 7-ish or so. Beautiful morning. And there is T. Good morning.
Good morning, Lavish Luvs.
All right, she's ready.
Yes, it's absolutely gorgeous this morning.
Yes, it is. So we do have an excursion scheduled at 8:15. We'll be downstairs. We're gonna go grab quick breakfast and meet downstairs. So we will keep you posted throughout the day. As you can see, it's a beautiful view. Clouds are marvelous. We'll see you later. Bye.
Bye, Lavish Luvs.
Neighbors, so good brothers. Yes. Actually, at the time of the conquer of Canary Island, they were sent here. The first waves from settlers, they were Portuguese people. Yes, so that's why here we Canarians, we don't have like proper language. We don't have like. It's true that we have like a accent or melody when we talk. Yes. It's like a melody when we talk. But it's true that when I talk with people from mainland Spain, yes, sometimes I use, or here in Canary Island, we use what we call Portuguesism. It means we take a lot of Portuguese words as well as Portuguese, we took borrow like Portuguese grammar, yes, for those settlers that they arrived at and the first waves, yes. So that's why when I talk with the people from mainland Spain, naturally it comes to me like Portuguese words. So that's why for the people from mainland Spain, suddenly they look at me like saying, "What the heck? What the heck are you saying?" Yes, because of the influence of Portuguese. Canarians in this matter, we are like Americans, okay? Like the roots of our blood is like very mixed. They are strong influences from Portuguese, Italians, Norman people, and Irish, of course, yes, and no doubt Spaniards, right? We are like a melting pot, yes. Look here in those mountains, because our next destination is behind of those mountains. I was talking about the forest, yes, Canarian forest, Canarian L'Oreal forest. In Madeira, we have a small portion of it. Then there is another one in the island of La Gomera. Are you going to La Gomera, guys? No? So then you have to try it next year. Yes, because La Gomera, it's like the 5-star island, I would say. It's where all the tourists, they go with expectations like this, but then when they return, they come with higher expectations. Yes, because it's like a very small island. Yes, from the north to the south, let's say that is about 16 miles. It's very tiny. The altitude is like 1,500 meters, which in miles, no idea. Or multiplied by feet, yes? Multiplied by feet is like 3, multiplied by 3, right? So then in miles, in feet, 4,500 feet. Okay, so if you're so convinced, I trust you, yes? So yes, it's a very small island. But it's this kind of islands with plenty of mysterious, you can say it's like a mysterious island. It's a lot of secrets. There are plenty of histories about witchcraft, there are plenty of histories about impossible love between Aborigines of Canary Island, we call the Guanche people, and the Spanish conquistadors, yes? It's like John and Pocahontas' way, okay?
day 6. It is a beautiful island.
We sincerely thank you for watching and subscribing to our channel.